Welcome back to Explore Error. No matter how expensive or powerful your graphics card is, if you don't have the latest driver installed, you won't get its best performance. In this video, we'll learn how to update any graphics card, both manually and automatically, and how to let the system detect the best update for you. Make sure you watch the full video, because after this, you won't need to watch any other video to update your graphics card. First, on the left-hand side, right-click on the Start icon and open Device Manager. I'll show you the automatic method for all three graphics cards, Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA. Under Display Adapters, you can see which graphics card you have. Now, right-click on it and select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically for drivers. If it says the best driver is already installed, then click on Windows Update. It may take around 5 to 10 minutes to update the graphics card. If you want to check whether your graphics card is updated or not, right-click on it again, go to Properties, and open the Driver section. Here, you can see the driver details and confirm if it has been updated. If not, we'll move to the next step. I'll add all the links in the description. For Intel, you just need to download the driver and support assistant. Download it, run it, and it will automatically update your graphics driver without any extra steps. If you're using an AMD graphics card, you can use the Auto Detect tool. The link will be in the description. Just run it, and it will install the latest graphics driver for you. For NVIDIA, it's very simple. I'll share the link in the description. Visit the website, run the detection tool, and it will detect your GPU and install the correct driver. These are the best ways to update your graphics card and use it properly. Whether you're gaming or doing other tasks, performance will be much better than before, because old drivers don't give good results. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next useful video. Bye-bye.